Unlocking the meaning of rapid thaw. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrases rapid thaw and how to use them in daily conversation. Understanding such phrases is essential as they can spice up your language skills and help you describe specific situations more vividly. So, let's get started and melt away any confusion surrounding these phrases. Before we dive into the phrase rapid thaw, let's break it down starting with the word rapid. Rapid means happening in a short time or at a great rate. It's an adjective used to describe something that is fast or quick. For example, she experienced a rapid improvement in her English skills. Here, rapid highlights the quick pace of improvement. Now, let's look at the word thaw. To thaw means to change from a frozen state to a non-frozen state. It usually refers to ice or another frozen substance turning into liquid or softening as it warms up. It can also mean becoming friendlier or more relaxed in social situations. For instance, after a tense beginning, the conversation began to thaw. When we combine these words into the phrase rapid thaw, we're talking about a situation where something frozen, often ice or snow, melts very quickly. It can be used literally, like when talking about the weather. The rapid thaw of the snow caused the rivers to swell. Or metaphorically, to describe quick changes in relationships or attitudes, there was a rapid thaw in negotiations between the two companies. Let's see some examples of how rapid thaw can be used in different contexts. 1. Meteorology. Meteorologists are predicting a rapid thaw as temperatures are expected to rise significantly over the weekend. 2. Emotions and relationships. After years of disagreement, the twin sisters experienced a rapid thaw in their relationship over the holiday. 3. Economics and politics. The government's decision to reduce taxes led to a rapid thaw in their relationship with the business community. And there you have it. Now you know all about the phrase rapid thaw and how to use it in both a literal and figurative sense. It's a handy phrase to describe anything that changes quickly from being frozen or stagnant to moving or flowing freely. I hope this video has warmed up your understanding of this cool phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to see rapid improvement in your English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.